Solar Storm Alert. U.S. Space Agency NASA warns the solar cycle is peaking in July 2025, raising the risk of a massive solar storm that could cause power outages on Earth. Supreme Master Ching Hai, vegan, says, with the protective shield and Trinity blessing, the solar flare should spare the world from big stormy effects or much minimized, but this is in case world karma surpasses merit. Pray, pray, pray. If cannot go out, just do as best as you can. Good luck in the name of the Most High, Most Merciful. Be humble at all times. Be repentant at all times. Stay calm. Store food and drink for 1 week. Flashlights, fuel for a warm fire. The most powerful daily prayer, recorded so you can hear it without internet. Pray too. Sleep early and well. Meditate as much as you can for our members. For others, not too much if they eat animal people's flesh. Pray sincerely. Cover yourself well when you go out of the house. At night, do not go out if not really necessary, especially from now till the end of August this year, 2025. Be good in wholesome ways, nothing too exciting for the body and mind. Best to be vegan, gentle food, not hot food with lots of sharp condiments, no tobacco, no alcohol, no gambling, etc. Sunfire might not be seen with the naked eye, but it is there. Treat others with kindness and compassion. Exercise gently, read Bibles, sutras, holy books, spiritual books, etc. Do things that relax and please your heart and soul. Have quality time for yourself and loved ones. Electricity won't come back for a long time, so write them a letter to keep while waiting for life to return to normal. Tell them a fixed time that all can pray together if you live far from each other.